Along with the European Centre for Refractories, ECREF, emerged a unique European Centre of Excellence in Höhr-Grenzhausen, the central point of contact for the refractory industry. As the seat of the German Refractory Industry Association, all nationwide activities are coordinated here. For example, the strong focus on education and training. In cooperation with established companies, research is also done for the national and international market. Another pillar of the ECREF is the German Institute for Refractory and Ceramics. In short, it has the highest level of competence in the refractory industry, thus making it the ideal location, in respect to the standpoint of the Munich Fair, to initiate a meeting under the title Ceramitec Roundtable 2015. 17 participants posed for a press photo. Then it was time to get to work. For the 9th time, this roundtable has been invited by the Munich Fair. The partners of Ceramitec have taken their time and kept themselves informed for 1 year to prepare for this major international trade show.
The
Ceramitec takes place every 3 years. In the time in between, we don't want to lose touch with the industry and therefore have this regular round table with various topics which are interesting for the industry. As a host, Professor Peter Quirnbach gladly used this platform to inform the representatives of the industry about their work. Prior to the large fair, it is a welcome opportunity for public relations in small groups. Ceramitec itself also uses this opportunity, and for the ECREF on the big stage.
Ceramitec ist eine Drehscheibe der Informationen.
Ceramitec is a hub of information. We, of course, make a living from communicating and contacting possible interested parties to inform them about our offers, and we, of course, look after our existing customers. These are days full of intense exchanges and dialogue.
Tatsächlich sind es einige Tage sehr intensiven Austauschs und des Dialogs, ja.
Lobbying is Astrid Volkart's calling. She travelled from Brussels to report about the PRE, which sees itself as the voice of the European refractory industry. Preparation and anticipation of the ceramic in its bundled form.
We represent the ceramic industry. We have a number of ceramic companies present at the fair, and for us it's very important because it's such a hot spot and an international gathering where we can really meet all the ceramic companies we have an interest in, to network with, to contact with. That's really everybody coming together at the same spot. We really like to attend on every time that it happens.
Moderated by Karine Scharrer, the chief editor of Ceramic Forum International, we were intensively informed and we discussed raw materials, developments, issues, markets, everything the trade has to deal with. The different perspectives were interesting and also enriching.
Der Eindruck, den man hier verfestigen kann, ist natürlich, wir haben.
The impression which can be strengthened here is we had 4 parties at the table. We had the raw material supplier and the refractory producer at the table. The end user, the steel industry, was also at the table. And of course, with our institute here, research and training were also represented.
Auch die Forschung am Tisch und die Ausbildung.
And this is the way the diverse opinions in the Westerwald are stimulating, so that the future can be found at the end of a common path. Cleverly planned teasers for the big family get-together in 1 year in Munich, where an increase in the number of exhibitors is expected again.
Es ist für uns eine schöne Plattform, sich zu präsentieren. Wir sind ein Familienunternehmen, was jetzt
It's a good platform for us to present ourselves. We're a family business which is continuing to grow, and someday the time comes when you want to show what you do and what you can do. That's why we consider the Ceramitec to be the right platform for us to present ourselves, and in addition gives us the opportunity to sell our products.
Für uns ist, uns zu präsentieren und auch die Möglichkeit besteht, unsere Produkte da zu vertreiben.
We are taking note of this. Höhr-Grenzhausen has fulfilled its purpose. The partners took their chance to interchange at the round table. From the round table back to the fair, we can now say the countdown is on. Participants and visitors can expect a top-class program and groundbreaking trends from October the 20th to the 23rd, 2015 in Munich. Information about the fair can be found at www.ceramitec.de.